Today I'll be showing you how to upgrade a puppylinux. So I'm logged into bookworm pup64 low.iso. It's a variant of bookworm pup64. And on my boot screen, I have a choice of getting into Trixie Pup Retro or Vanilla Depup or Bookworm, which is the one I'm in now, and Noble Pup Low Bookworm 32-bit, and Trixie Pup 32 Retro. And normally in most of the puppylinux, you don't have a choice of update or upgrade, but in some recent puppylinux, you can update typically with a terminal command with apt or vpm in the case of a void pup64. There is no automatic auto upgrade, as I will show you. However, some 32-bit puppy has a monthly upgrade ISO. Just to demonstrate this, I'll go and go to the browser. And this is, I'll leave a link to this page, but it's a GitHub page and it has releases. And today is October 3rd. But a couple days ago, the ISO of many of the puppylinux has been shown up. So usually though, all of these have, for the last several months, have a monthly update, or I should say upgrade. And you may want to upgrade if you have one of these installed. And I noticed that I have a Trixie Pup 32 Retro, which is the one that I use occasionally. And there is a new one. So what I've done is I just go ahead and click on it. And then you can see the latest is October 1st. But this is a little bit of an exception. Only about a week prior to that, there was a ISO that's released, which is the one I have running. But I want to go ahead and change over to this upgrade. So that's what we're gonna do. So I went ahead and clicked on it, and then it's gonna download the ISO. And I'll go ahead and continue on from here. So what we want to do next is to go ahead and replace with the elements of this ISO. All you need to do is just click and it'll open up. And you want to mount this image, yes. And then you'll get several applications applications here. And then what we want to do is go to the pups where you have all the puppies installed. And in my case, I've labeled the partition as pups, so I can click on it. So here it is. Let me just move it more so we can just go ahead and close the other rocks. So here is the one with the Trixie Pup 32 Retro is the one that I want to update. So we'll go ahead and click on it, and this is what I have all the files there. And what we want to do is replace all these files. I should emphasize this, that this is a UEFI BIOS. So what we want to do is just go ahead and delete all the files within the folder except SAVESPEC. SAVESPEC file has to do with where you're saving the save folder for this particular puppy ISO. We'll just go ahead and click everything here, and what we want to do is we don't want to erase this part, SAVESPEC. So otherwise we'll just go ahead and delete. And then what we want to do with this updated upgraded ISO is grab all the SFS files. There's with a control key push down, left click, left click, left click, left click, SFS files. In addition, we want vmlinuz, and then initrd, and then ucode.cpio, and then simply just copy it over to the puppylinux folder, Trixie folder in this case. So let me just go back out. So we replaced this here. Okay, now all you need to do is just reboot, and then we will be getting the grub menu again. So here's the grub menu, and we've upgraded Trixie Pup 32 Retro, and this is the ISO that we upgraded. So I'll just enter, and then it's gonna give us a little window saying that we wanna. It's smart enough to know that that the older save folder is not for the most recent upgraded Trixie Pup 32. So we'll just wait for a second. Normally you get a warning that whether you want to upgrade the save a folder because of a newer ISO. So what you want to do is, if you get that message, you just want to just go ahead and say yes, and then you will be with a new ISO, you'll be on the Trixie Pup 32. So it looks identical, but it does have an upgraded kernel and so on. So this is basics of how to manually upgrade in puppylinux. I hope this has been helpful.